Good morning and welcome back to Wendy's Wellness Clinic. Today we're going to be talking about a blend of oils that are fabulous for any respiratory complaint, designed specifically to help with airways and clearing airways.
That's correct, yes.
Yes.
This oil today is called Easy Air. You might also see it advertised as Breathe because it was designed by our US-based company, but the Australian TGA just says, oh no, you have to use a different name. So Easy Air in Australia.
Okay, Easy Air, or if you're obviously not in Australia, then you can look out for Breathe.
Breathe,
Yes.
That's correct, yes.
So tell us a little bit about why and when you might decide to use this oil.
Yes, there are 7 oils that have been incorporated into this blend, and specifically for respiratory challenges. And that could be because perhaps your child has croup. For asthma, asthmatics do very well with this essential oil blend. It could be because you've taken on colds or flus, or even pneumonias, bronchitis, anything of that particular nature.
Anytime the respiratory tract seems to be compromised in any way.
Yes, and so the oils that are included also not only address opening of the airways so that the intake and the outflow of air is much easier, but it's also designed for infections as well, if you've got colds or flus or pneumonias, that sort of thing. So you've got oils like melaleuca or tea tree as we know it, eucalyptus and lemon to address those infectious type of things that are going on in the lungs and the airways. Also, because sometimes, particularly with children that have croup, go into anxiety, it affects their alimentary canal, their digestive. So they've added some cardamom oil in there, which is a very calming, gentle oil that helps with digestive issues that may accompany some of the respiratory issues.
Okay, so what's the best way to take Breathe? Or Easy Air,
Yes.
depending on where you are.
Yes.
Watching this.
So in addition to this oil that you can put into a diffuser so that the room is available to help with that easy breathing, particularly at nighttime. It's a very good adjunct to use at nighttime. They have also given us, which I love, the respiratory drops, the breathing drops, and I used to use these a lot when I would have to train in very cold winter air and you'd get very overheated in the body. I would suck on a couple of these drops and that helped with my breathing as well.
Okay, we also have Vapor Stick. Would you like to explain how one might use that?
Yes, well, we can take the top off. This is like your old-fashioned, I think we can, yes, take the top off. The old-fashioned Vicks, but without the petroleum type. So this is really, really good for rubbing on the chests of younger children.
That's great. And then we also have the ready-made Easy Air, don't we? The roll-on bottle that's already pre-mixed.
Yes. So that is very good for young children as well. But if you've got some children that are at school that need to apply with permission, it's very good to have it diluted already for the elderly, the very young, and perhaps those with very sensitive skin.
Okay, so that means then that we can apply topically on the skin.
Yes.
We can use it in the diffuser. But am I correct in saying that apart from in the drops, probably not a good idea to be ingesting it sort of in water, or is that suitable?
Yes, no, it's not not something that you would need to take internally. Using topically directly on the areas of concern is best.
Yeah. As always, prior to using any new healthcare regime, including the oils, please refer to your healthcare professional. And there will be a link underneath this video of the variety of different products in the range. And of course, if you like this video, click the like button and we'd love to have you subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Thanks,
Bye.
Vanessa. Bye.
This is so good. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.